The threat to privacy in the digital age. Protecting yourself and resisting intrusion. In today's world, where the internet is highly prevalent and rapidly advancing, discussing and digging into others' privacy has become a common occurrence online. This behavior not only violates morals and ethics but also breaks the law, in the eyes of many. Publicly exposing someone's privacy, revealing their secrets, or using their privacy to create eye-catching videos or content seems to be a form of entertainment, but in reality, it constitutes a serious crime. Infringing on someone's privacy rights not only harms others but also exposes a lack of respect for others. While peering into others' lives, these individuals rarely reflect on their own. What are their goals? Are they trying to control others? Can they truly achieve this? This phenomenon isn't limited to one region. It is widespread across the world. This awareness heightens our need to protect our own privacy. The internet age lacks comprehensive laws, making it challenging to safeguard oneself from violations in this environment. To address this situation, we must take proactive measures to protect our privacy. Firstly, avoid disclosing personal information online, especially on social media and e-commerce platforms. Set privacy protection measures to limit personal data access to trusted circles. Secondly, learn to distinguish false information and potential risks. Don't blindly trust information or requests from strangers, particularly those involving personal information. Be cautious of seemingly attractive promises and opportunities, as they often mask scams and privacy invasions. Furthermore, we should enhance our self-protection awareness, understand how to interact with others online, and recognize and avoid being controlled by others. Communicate with trusted people, sharing experiences and strategies for protecting privacy. When faced with privacy violations, we should speak up and take action to defend our rights. Contact relevant authorities and organizations for help to ensure our rights are protected. Only through collective effort can we truly create a respectful and protective online environment. Meanwhile, governments and regulatory agencies must strengthen oversight of online behavior, establish stricter laws and policies, and combat privacy violations. Enhanced regulation can better protect personal privacy and curb those seeking to exploit others' privacy for gain. Additionally, technology companies and platforms also bear responsibility in ensuring user privacy is protected. By enhancing data encryption, offering privacy settings options, and strictly penalizing violations, these companies can play a positive role in safeguarding user privacy. Ultimately, respecting privacy is not just about respecting others, it is also about protecting oneself. Everyone should consciously take on the responsibility of maintaining privacy, respecting others, and protecting themselves online and in real life. Through education and heightened awareness, we can work together to build a safer and more respectful online environment. Are you willing to take measures to protect your privacy? How would you respond when faced with intrusion and privacy violations? These questions warrant deep contemplation and action, allowing us to maintain rationality and vigilance in the digital age. Through joint effort, we can create a fairer, more respectful internet world that values privacy,